I never, only sometimes.
I can't hear you over Bullseye snoring.
You, like, almost always get to on your phone, and I barely get to.
Yeah, 'cause it's my phone and I'm an adult and I pay for my phone bill. Honey, you're 6. You lost your phone.
Yeah, and I look